Hey, so this is part 2 of 2 for the Walmart Tax Exempt video. So you guys want to learn how to get your tax exempt in the store. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So without further ado, let's jump into it. What you're going to need. You're going to need the Rev 1220 form. That's the form that I used that was specific to PA. Your form is going to be specific for you. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check out the first video that I made on this that shows you exactly how to find out if there is a specific form for your state that you're going to need to take into Walmart with you. After you get that information, take your photo ID, your EIN number, and a copy of your sales certificate license with you just in case. So you'll head to your local Walmart, you'll take that form, you'll tell them, hey, I want to get tax exempt here. What do I got to do? They're going to ask you for your information. They'll hand you a form. You'll fill out the form and then you'll hand that back to them. From there, they'll process everything else on their end in the computer system. After that, they'll give you your own personal card that you'll be able to carry with you. One thing I have to note, this card is super flimsy, guys, so you want to make sure that you put it in a safe place and that you properly take care of it, because it will be able to get ripped and damaged because it's just a little index card. This card's good for 1 year. After that year, you'll take your same information that you brought the first time, but it's gonna all have to be redone with updated dates, and then they'll be able to issue a brand new card. So what to do after you get your card? You want to hit the streets, go sourcing at different Walmarts. I gotta let you know, before you get to the cash register and want to do self-checkout, it's not gonna work there. You're gonna have to make sure that you go to an actual person to do this checkout. Once you get to the line, hand them your card before they start scanning anything. After that, they enter their information. You're good to go. You can enjoy having tax exempt at Walmart. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.